Good morning, everybody. This is a short presentation on the topic Corona Pandemic Impacts and Challenges of Kerala Tourism. This is being jointly presented by Dr. Dilip MR, Mr. Shelji Matthew, and Ms. Divya Das, Assistant Professors, Department of Travel and Tourism Management, Parsharaja College, Pulpalli, Wayanad, Kerala. It is presented for International Virtual Conference on COVID-19 Challenges and Opportunities, ITHM, Agra University. It was in the month of December when the first case of corona was reported at Wuhan markets of China. The powerful nations of the world never thought they would be in such a havoc situation. The whole world is now stuck under corona pandemic. This presentation covers the socio-economic impact of corona crisis on Kerala tourism, the various challenges industry is facing to overcome the situation, and the recommendations made for the state tourism recovery process. So let's move on to the details of the presentation. The world is experiencing one of the worst crises in the recent history of humankind. The world has never seen the spread of an infection as fast as corona. Within a period of just more than 100 days, this pandemic would spread to more than 200 countries and the infection is being spread to millions of people. Travel and tourism industry is probably the hardest hit sector as it depends completely on the movement of the people. As per an early estimate, World Travel and Tourism Council, there may be a job loss of 50 million and revenue loss of $3 trillion. Let's go through the scenario of corona pandemic in Kerala. Kerala is the first state in India that was reported corona infection. It was on January 30th. The first three cases reported here were traveled back from Wuhan, China. This is how the corona was spread into India. On the 1st of February 2020, the World Health Organization has declared the recent novel coronavirus epidemic affecting 23 countries as international public health emergency of international concern. Kerala government has taken the recommendations of WHO more seriously and control measures were strengthened. The state has been successful in implementing strategies to contain the spread of virus compared to most of the places across the world. Kerala has the highest COVID recovery rate and lowest mortality rate in India. The state generally has a reputation that the safest place to be in India, especially during the time of health calamity. COVID-19 pandemic and Kerala tourism. The coronavirus pandemic is massively affecting Kerala tourism industry. The Kerala tourism industry has been struggling for past few months after COVID-19. Bookings were completely cancelled as the coronavirus outbreak has affected the whole world with travel restrictions. Tourism hotspots are wearing a deserted look without the foreign tourist and domestic travelers keep away amid COVID-19 scare. Kerala has attracted around 1.96 crore domestic and foreign visitors in 2019. Total earnings from tourism stood at rupees 45,000 crore. So this shows the magnitude of tourism in the state. But with COVID-19 aftermath, this is estimated to come down drastically. Based on the inferences from the analysis of interviews, the issues the industry faces are the industry is facing the deepest and unprecedented crisis. Travel is completely stopped and associated industries forced to shut indefinitely. International tourism shall be stopped for longer term compared to domestic tourism. Many businesses will enter into bankruptcy. It will be the biggest issue in the future. Business at all levels are in zero revenue period and cash flow is stopped. No clarity of way forward and complete uncertainty prevailing in the industry environment. Demand loss, so completely no demand right now and there is eradicated supply. Erosion of capital, so market money is not flowing into the market. Loss of investors, so investors are feeling some sort of aversion to invest in the market. Large scale of unemployment is another issue. So small and medium sectors are facing unemployment and also particularly unorganized sectors are facing unemployment issue. Tourism seasons will be drained for a couple of years. Price hike, scarcity of commodities, increasing of travel expenditure, including flight charges, are going to affect badly to world tourism as well as Kerala. The markets of Kerala tourism, primarily the foreign markets, may not be ready for having travel propensity soon. The current marketing strategy of targeting the previous market is going to face troubles. So the main issue noted here is the inability of the existing market to commence travel soon. So based on the study, these are the challenges we are going to face. So economic environment will be changed. So our economic environment of Kerala should be changed. Psychological aspects like tourists will fear of travel due to pandemic, reviving financial situations, negative investment climate, possibility of reoccurrence in pandemic can occur again and again. Challenges from travel markets like China, European countries, USA. So these are the tourist generating regions, and their economy will be shattered, and how much they can revive their travel may be going to be a big issue. Re-engineering and restructuring of tourism sector is again going to be a big challenge. Confidence building among investors and employees. Other challenges are destination image. So destination image will be negative in the case of Kerala because Kerala is the first state to identify corona infection. Media management. Media should be managed well. There should not be any negative stories, negative news about the destinations. Stimulating small and medium enterprises, use of technology for the revival, marketing challenges, lack of motivation among employees, revival confusion, psychological fear of travelers, loss of markets, all should be addressed well. So these are the possible outways and opportunities. Promoting domestic tours, ensuring virtual tours, online interactions in devising strategies, extended moratorium for loans, issuance of loans for businesses, including SMEs, deferring the payments to government till the financial situation gets to normalcy, financial welfare package for employees in the unorganized sector. So these are the recommendations. Change our marketing strategy completely and encourage professionalism in every aspect of tourism. Promote special interest tours. Diversify products. Travel insurance may be with better demand. Travel premium, ensure premium level media management. Industry needs liquidity for the short and mid-term to help meet fixed costs during the lockdown period, as well as for rebuilding businesses almost from scratch. Technologies like chatbots, self-service kiosks, facial recognition, etc., has to be made for manpower utilization to save people to survive in the sector till the situation comes back its previous status. Revival of package after analyzing the situation. Waiver of fixed charges for electricity. Sustenance of business. Psychological fear of travelers and loss of markets, etc. So thank you for the patient listening. This is what we like to say. It's actually a working paper, and we need to have more information because impacts are not analyzed yet.